What is up, you guys? It's Bella, and obviously Caitlin is not here right now, but we just realized that we haven't put a video up in forever. So I put together a bunch of random footage so that we could make an extras video for you guys. So I hope you like it. Sorry for the bad quality, but Caitlin's laugh is like the best thing in the world, so we couldn't just not share it with you guys. So the next clips are actually extras from our next video that we haven't put up yet because it's not finished being edited. 5, 6, 7, 8. I sound like an old man.
Fix my weave.
Nope, can't.
Oh my lord!
I can't speak. One more time. I'm gonna get it this time.
Okay, right?
No.
Yes. Yes. Painful, literally. Make sure that no. Which ours this.
One more time.
We're all in this together.
No, okay,
we're
good. Whoa, my voice. Hang on, sorry. Make sure you plan when you are going to go get that printing done. Wait. When you're gonna go get that printing done. Whoa, one more time. Now this was supposed to be the whisper challenge, but due to technical difficulties, we'll probably never end up actually releasing it, so here you go.
Get over it. Elizabeth! Elastic! I can't say that word. Gas pedal. Gas. I have gas. Clap.
Climb.
Clap.
Climb.
The song ended.
No, you heard it.
Clap.
No!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's a commercial.
Oh my god! I don't even know.
Tons. And abundance. Lots. Tons.
Ah! Dracula.
Do you like snow pants? Like and subscribe!